Hello guys, welcome to another video of Azure DevOps. In this video, we are going to discuss about Key Vaults and Azure Pipelines. We'll be discussing how you can secure your pipelines using Azure Key Vault. We'll be discussing different ways, basically couple of ways. You can use your Key Vault inside your pipelines and store your secrets inside your Azure Key Vault, and you can access them directly inside your pipelines. Okay, so if you are working for DevSecOps, if you are implementing security practices inside your Azure pipelines, this is the best strategy you can make for your secrets. Okay, to use the key vaults. There are other ways as well, like using the Azure DevOps libraries and storing your variables as a secret. But some organizations have generally different policies. Generally, they want their projects to use key vaults or something like that inside your pipelines. So this is the video you should be watching for. Okay, so let's start. To start with, you will need one key vault. So I have already created one for the demo purpose. This is the key vault name. You can create it by yourself as well, or you can watch my other videos about the key vault. Okay, the next thing you need is Azure DevOps Pipeline. Okay, this is the Azure DevOps environment. I have this. Okay, now let's discuss about the different ways. Basically, we'll be discussing couple of ways which you can use to integrate this key vault inside your CI/CD pipeline. Okay, the first one is to use the library. Let's open the library and click on variable group. Once you have opened the library, you'll get the option to create a new library. Just change the name. Suppose you want to name something like this, Key Vault Integration. Okay, and if you just see this option, link secret from an Azure Key Vault. If you check it, it will provide you option to integrate or connect this library with the Key Vault. Let's connect that. For this, you will need one service connection so that your Azure DevOps will be able to, or this library itself will be able to reach inside your Microsoft Azure and uh, connect your Key Vault. Okay, so for that, you'll have to create one Azure Resource Manager service connection. We already have created this Azure hyphen connection. If you don't know how to create a service connection, you can click on manage it from here, or you can also go to project setting and click on service connection. So this is my connection. You can create a new service connection and Azure Resource Manager. Next, and you can create your service connection from here. Let's now select the Key Vault name. Okay, it seems this service connection is not working anymore. Let me just create a new one right away. So I have selected my subscription here and I have clicked on authorized. So it will go ahead and create one service connection in the backend. And in Microsoft Azure, it will go ahead and create one service principal and it will assign the required permissions. Okay. If you see now, we are getting the Key Vault name. Let's select the Key Vault name. This is my Key Vault name, Key Vault -edu -01. Select it and click on authorize. Let's see. If this doesn't work, we'll have to provide the permission. Once you click on authorize, generally it should automatically add these get list secret permission directly inside your Key Vault. Okay, this has added. Now let's click on add, and it will fetch all those secret inside your key vault, and it will ask you to select those secret and you can add it here. So right now I don't have any secrets. Let me try to create one secret and see if we are able to fetch that secret or not. Let's click on create a secret and create with test integration. Okay, let's create it. Now go back here in the edu portal and click on add again, and now you'll be able to see the secret which we just created. So if you have multiple secrets as well, all the secrets will be coming here, and you just select it and click on OK. So this secret will be added here directly from the key vault, and this secret value will be in sync with the key vault. If you just save it, this key vault is integrated and this is now saved inside your library. So if you change the value of this test integration secret inside your key vault, this ADO variable group will also be in sync. Okay, so the value will be changed. You don't need to worry about anything. So this is one of the way you can use key vault inside your ADO. And now this is just using like simple variable group, how you can integrate this variable group inside your pipeline. Simply open the pipeline and link it. Let me open this. Try to edit one of the pipeline. Let me open, click on edit, open any of the stage, click on variables, open the variable group and click on link variable group, and you can see this key vault integration variable group is linked, and this test integration variable is also here. And now you can directly use this variable with dollar test integration, and it will be accessible inside all of your pipelines. So this is one of the way you can integrate or you can use key vault secret inside your pipelines. So if you have any secret which should be stored as a secret inside key vault, you can add all of them inside the secret inside your key vault and add them here as well. Okay, so you should be able to use all of these secrets or all of the variables directly from the key vault inside your ADO pipelines by just adding something like, suppose you want to use this variable, just type just print something like that. If you just you don't have any script right now, let me add one of them. Suppose you use this script in line. If you print this like this, you can use the test integration value, and that will be available inside all of your pipelines, all of your jobs, all of your stages, and this stages as well. All of the stages it will be available. Okay, so this is one of the ways, and there is another way which you can directly use that. You for that you don't need to create any library inside your Azure DevOps. You can just directly open the pipeline, any of the pipeline that can be either release or classic pipeline or even the YAML pipeline. Just open it. Suppose this is one of the pipeline. Click on edit, and if you want to just add something here inside the steps, just type the secret. There is one task to download all the secret or any of the secret from the key vault. This is the task Azure Key Vault. You can use it. Select the Azure subscription. Let me check if this is working. No. Let me select another one. Yeah, so this service connection is working. And if you want to download all the secrets, just put it star. Else you just need to provide the secret name. You can just provide this secret name and this will be available inside all of your pipelines. Just add this secret and this secret will be available. So this is the task added. Just correct the indentation in YAML, and once you run this pipeline you will be able to get this test integration secret inside your YAML pipeline. This is the case with classic release pipelines as well. You can use this task same way, and later in some of the tasks you can just directly use this something like dollar. Suppose you want to use, this is the variable you want to use here, you can just add something like this and this will be available inside your pipeline. Okay, so these are two ways which you can use. There are other ways as well, like you can directly use Azure CLI commands to fetch the secret, to get the secret. Okay, and you can use PowerShell commands as well to directly get the secret. You can use other third-party extension from marketplace inside your pipelines. But these are the best strategy you can use to secure your pipelines. One is to use library, and another one is to use that task or that extension I just showed you directly inside your pipelines. Okay, so we have discussed about the key vault integration and securing your pipelines using two different ways. That's it from this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.